This is why you can't listen to everything on the internet. Everyone's like, mouth tape to stop snoring, mouth tape to stop mouth breathing. No, buddy, mouth tape almost suffocated me in my sleep. Never doing that again. But this little thing right here, now this actually works, bro. You just put it on your nose, and when I tell you, I breathe so much better. This little thing actually trains me to breathe in through my nose, so I don't have to breathe in through my mouth. And better yet, I don't snore.